Hello everybody, this is Malcolm Smith, and welcome back to my Tribulations of the Mage devlog series. And for this video, I'm going to be going over the ultimate spell system I have, which, if there's any previous watchers, you'll know that I made a video called Ultimate Spell Experiment, in which I kind of talked about the, a future system of an ultimate spell, which would be like an ult ability you'd see in games like League of Legends or Overwatch. But just be a powerful video ability that the player can activate. And in this video, I think I'm gonna split it into two. I feel like that works a little bit better. So yeah, in this video, I'll be going over, the item or like the ultimate control, event graph, the variables I used for it, and then the item I used for it. And I'll do more of the effects in the next video. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the ultimate bar control, and that's the way it's work. It's very similar to not mana, stamina. And I kind of settled on like making it like stamina because I was kind of debating with myself if I should make it so the ult bar charges on damage, or if the ult bar should charge on kills, or maybe there'll be an item that charges it. So the best system I thought of it at the moment was just making it like stamina, where after you use it, and then it recharges over time. But unlike stamina, it would be a lot more slower. So I'll go over the custom events and functions I used for this. So for right now, the first one I have is just the damage ult bar, which when called, it will ask for the ult reduction and ask if it's a constant reduction. Then I'll go into the magic kind to show that. As you can see right here, here's the damage ult bar event. For right now, I just have it to take the ult and then this minus the max. And then as you can see right here, if it's constant, it will drain. But let's go back to control. So yeah, if it is constant, it will just continuously drain the ult bar, which is just a custom event that has a set timer by event, which loops every 0.1 seconds. And it will check if the ult bar is drained. If it's drained, just say not enough ult charge. If it's not, let's reduce the ult charge, which in here, it just takes the ult charge and minus it by 1. Then I'll just go over the event, the functions I have. For increase, it will just check if the ultimate and charge are equal. If it is equal, don't do anything. If it's not, regenerate. And the way it regenerates is just, it takes the ult charge and adds the ult regen to it, which for right now it is just 1, and then it sets the ult charge again. Like I said, yeah, it's just 1. And then just like stamina or like all the other kind of like health and mana and stamina, there's ultimate charge, which is just the current, represents the current ult charge, and then maximum, which is obviously the max. Ult bar drain checks if it's less than or equal to 0. And then reduce, I think I go over that, minus it by 1. And then we already went over increase, so let's scale back into control. So yeah, like I said, it's almost it's basically 1-to-1 the stamina. If it needs to be drained, it will do that, etc. like that. So that's how that's kind of the control and kind of foundation of it. And then, let me go over spell. So ultimate spell, I decided to use a name variable for ultimate spell because, like I said, it doesn't feel right for the ultimate spell to be an actor, like a spell that that spawns into the world. As you can see, like with these spells, this spell is an active variable. I don't feel like that would work with the ultimate spell, so I just have it be a name. And the way that this name variable is set is actually with the ultimate spell item interacts. So right now, there's right here. I have an item called BP Ultimate Spell Lightning Strike Interact, and I've been kind of going through names, so it's not really that consistent. But for right now, I just have it called Rain Lightning. If there's any better ones, y'all can just leave it in the comments. But the way this item works is that it will, when interacted with, it will take the max ultimate charge and then use that to set the ultimate charge, just filling the bar. It will get the HUD reference, and then it will set the ultimate spell progress bar to its attached image and then make it visible. And then, like I said before, it will actually take the ultimate spell name variable in the player and then set it to the desired name. And then, like I said, for the Rain of Lightning, the fill image is just LB3, which I just made this in pixel art. It's just kind of a placeholder for right now. And then let's just go into the portrait, or the HUD or the widget for the player. As you see, here is the ultimate bar. It actually took place of the XP bar. It essentially just replaced it. So as you see, it has its own. And right now it's just set to the LB3, but it will change. It gets changed with other ultimate spells. I'll actually show you an example. So as you can see here right now, the ultimate spell is invisible. There's no progress bar or widget for it. But when I interact with it, there's now a widget for it that's at the bottom of the mana box. And I went to a different ultimate spell and interact with it. It changes to that one's just a placeholder. But yeah, as you can see, it changes. And then once I get a spell selector in there, then you'll be able to it'll swap between it like that. It will swap between almost like an inventory system. But yeah, that's how it works. I'll go over more of what these do, or what the effects of the spells are. But that's kind of the backbone of it. So just to give a quick, a summary. I decided to make the ultimate spell like stamina, in which what I mean by that is that when the ultimate spell is activated, it recharges over time. Slowly, like what you see in Borderlands or League. And then the way that the ultimate spells are set is that there's a ultimate spell name variable, which gets set with the ultimate spell interacts. I just type into here, and then each ultimate spell has its own different image, which acts as a progress bar. And I'll show you. I'll just give an example of it going down. So right now I'll do this one. I press C. As you can see, the bar is down, and then as you can see, it fills up. Now it is pretty fast. I plan on making it slower, but this is just here to make sure it works. And then now that it's filled again, I press it, and then I'm pressing it right now, and it's not working. And then once it fills up again, the spell activates. So that's kind of the backbone. Next video, I'm gonna go over what the spells I have do, and then some other stuff. So yeah, see you next video.